Hello everyone. You all know Amazon is a crowded marketplace where millions of sellers are competing with each other to showcase their item on the top page and also grab the attention of their potential customers. So, it's quite tough for any seller to create a place on Amazon. Sometimes having a well-optimized product listings and a competitive product price is not enough to convert traffic into sales. In that case, sellers have to do their own branding. To help all the registered sellers in branding their products, Amazon launched their new feature, which is Brand Story, with some interesting modules in September 2021. Yes, you heard it right. This is your host Shima and you are watching 𝐴𝐶𝐞𝐜. In today's video, we are going to discuss and show you how you can create a brand story for all the Amazon listings easily. Oh, one more thing. Did you hear about the newly launched Amazon Premium A+ content? Amazon's brand story is the prerequisite for that. To learn more about Premium A+ content, please see our other videos. The link is given below in the description. Now, it's time to learn more about the Amazon brand story, so let's get started. What is Amazon's brand story? The brand story is a complementary marketing feature similar to A+ content that is available for both Amazon Seller Central and Vendor Central. Amazon brand story is displayed as a scrollable carousel made up of some customizable modules, where brands can tell their stories, missions, visions, engage shoppers, and ultimately drive sales. Brand story is available to all sellers who enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry program. Whether or not you want to use the brand story feature, sellers are encouraged to join their brand registry program as it offers advanced tools to present and protect your brands on Amazon. Where does the brand story appear? The brand story appears right above your A+ content in a dedicated section called From the Brand, making it highly visible to all the shoppers who scroll down to read all the reviews or view A+ content. When creating your brand story, you will need the following points to create an Amazon brand story page: brand name and logo, a registered trademark, up to 3 high-resolution product images, a brand-focused cover image, and about the brand statement. Content modules for Amazon brand story. Amazon introduced new modules for the functionality of linking the brand stories to your store and other product detail pages. It's recommended to add 3 to 5 content modules to your brand story. There are a number of templates available now, and they are brand carousel background module, brand ASIN and store showcase module, brand focus image module, brand logo and description module, brand QA module. Let's go over these points in more detail. Number 1. Brand carousel background module. This is a mandatory module where you need to add a background image. You have the option to add a headline text and body text. We recommend adding a clean background image that blends in perfectly while other images are cycling through. For this module, there are some specifications that you need to keep in mind, like background image size should be 1464 pixels in height and 625 pixels in width. Headline text limit is 30 characters and the body text character limit is 135 characters. Number 2. Brand ASIN and store showcase module. Clicking on this module will redirect your customers to the product detail pages or Amazon Seller Storefront. It works similarly to the comparison module of A+ content, as this module is intended for cross-selling and increase your average order value. We recommend you to rename this module as View Our Collection. For this module, your image size should be 166 pixels in height and 182 pixels in width, and headline character limit is 30. Number 3. Brand Focus Image module. This is a visual module where you can add an image of the brand's creator, an image that displays your product line, or any other image that defines your brand and aligns with your messaging. For this module, your image size should be 362 pixels in height and 453 pixels in width, and headline text character limit is 30. Number 4. Brand Logo and Description module. In this module, you can add your brand logo and a short description for your brand. This is a great place to tell about your brand story. In this module, your image size should be 315 pixels in height and 145 pixels in width, and also body text character limit is 450. Number 5. Brand QA module. You can choose from 3 preset questions or add custom questions. This module helps address commonly asked questions about your brand or products. Here, your character limit for all questions is 750 characters. So far, I have discussed all the modules in detail. Do you think the discussion is over? No. Hold on, guys. Now, let's show you some examples with real-time implementations. Let's jump into the screen. I am going to create a brand story page for your convenience. First, log into your account on Amazon Seller Central. Under the Advertising tab, select A+ Content Manager from the drop-down button. Click on the Start Creating A+ Content button. Click on Create a Brand Story. You will be directed to a new page that has the brand story screen. Add your content name and select your language. Add your text and background image. Make sure that your text is clear and readable. The image that you select should be high quality and represent your brand well. It should also be sized well to fit the screen. Select the Add Module button and add your modules. Add your ASINs by selecting them. Choose the bulk upload option if you want your brand story to appear on all of your brand ASINs. Once you are done, click on the Review and Submit button to submit your brand story. It might take up to 15 minutes to 24 hours for Amazon to review your brand story before going live on the detail page. That's all for today. In the entire video, we have gone through the idea of what an Amazon brand story is and how an Amazon seller can create a brand story along with the Amazon A+ page. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If yes, please like, comment and share this video with your friends and co-workers. You can also click on the I button to check our other videos about A+ pages and brand pages. If you have anything more to know about Amazon brand story, then don't hesitate to write down your questions in the comment section. Also, you can share your experience after applying this so that people can get an idea about it. Last but not the least, you can check our website www.ecomclips.com. See you soon with another e-commerce topic. Till then, stay safe and stay with us. Bye.